Okay, working capital management. So, what is working capital management? It is the study of obviously managing working capital. Simple as that. And working capital means capital required for doing the day to day operations of the business. Okay, रोज के जो खर्चे होते हैं business के operating activities के related, that is called working capital. Okay, and the what do you call, the formula we know, the definition itself is the formula, the difference between current assets and current liabilities. Okay, yeah. So current assets in this will include what? They are expected to be realized during the normal operating cycle of the entity, that is during the course of the business, that is within 12 months of the reporting, and for the purpose of trading only. Okay, then current assets includes what? Yeah, I'm talking from this perspective, working capital perspective. Yeah. So current assets includes inventories. Inventories are of three types: raw material, WIP, and finished goods. Okay, be very specific here because we have to calculate working capital. Okay, yeah. Note down all these things, whatever is there on the screen. Very important from MCQ's point of view. Then is trade receivables, that is debtors and bills receivable. Then cash and cash equivalents, CNCE भी बोलते हैं इसको, कैश एंड कैश इक्विवेलेंस, लाइक दिस. तो इसमें क्या आएगा? कैश इन हैंड, कैश इन बैंक, मार्केटेबल सिक्योरिटीज. ओके, marketable securities matlab which can be easily sold in the market and you can get cash as early as possible, at the earliest, जिसको बोलते हैं. जैसे गोल्ड बिस्किट्स, इट इज़ द बेस्ट फॉर्म ऑफ कैश एंड कैश इक्विवेलेंस. ओके, काउंटर पे दे दो, ज्वेलर को दे दो, फटक से आपको बदले में उसके कैश मिल जाएगा. तो दैट इज कैश एंड कैश इक्विवेलेंस. अंडरस्टूड एवरीवन? Is this clear to everyone? If it is a long term securities, non marketable, then it is a investment, long term investment. Okay, then it will not come here in working capital management. That is, I have made it very clear: marketable securities. And then comes prepaid expenses. Okay, clear everyone? समझ में आ रहा है? Okay, so for working capital management, what you need to understand is what is working capital management. That is the study of managing working capital for the business. And what is working capital? It is the capital required for doing the daily operating activities of the business. Okay. Then current assets. What comes under current assets? Comes inventories, trade receivables, cash and cash equivalents, and prepaid expenses. Okay, then current liability may you will have trade payables, that is bills payable and creditors, and outstanding expenses. That's it. What are current liabilities? They are expected to be settled during the normal operating cycle of the entity within 12 months of the reporting and for the purpose of trading only. Okay, concept of working capital can be understood from two perspectives. First is the on the basis of value of time, and on the basis of value, I mean from the value perspective and from the time perspective. Okay, so from value perspective you have to gross working capital and net working capital. I'll come to this aspect, this is very important. Gross working capital and what is net working capital. Okay, so gross working capital मतलब investments of working capital in current assets. तो फॉर्मूला सी, वर्किंग कैपिटल का स्टेटमेंट ऐसे बनता है. दिस इज अ स्टेटमेंट ऑफ वर्किंग कैपिटल, particulars and the amount column. So first we always start with current assets, फिर वो जो भी लिस्ट होगी चार पांच की, yeah, then we do this total of current assets, then we write current liability, whatever list is there, then we total and we write total current liability, then we write working capital like this. Okay, so when I say gross working capital, it means this total current assets is known as gross working capital. Matlab current liability is not taken into picture. Okay, so investments of working capital in current assets is known as gross working capital. Am I clear to everyone? Are you understanding? Okay. Then investments of working capital in current assets less current liability. Matlab when you write this way, इसको बोलते हैं नेट वर्क कैपिटल। और ग्रॉस वर्किंग कैपिटल में आप क्या लेते हो? सिर्फ आपका टोटल ऑफ करंट एसेट्स, दैट्स इट, दैट्स कॉल्ड एज ग्रॉस वर्किंग कैपिटल। ओके, permanent working capital, it is to be maintained throughout the lifetime of the company or minimum working capital requirement. Say for example, your cash, your working capital available throughout the year for your business activities. तुमको पता है तुम्हारे business का रोज का खर्चा 50,000 है। ओके, यू नो दिस कि आपका रोज का लेबर को देना, रॉ मटेरियल खरीदना, ओके, छोटे मोटे बिल्स पे करना, फाइन। तो डेली का आपका बिजनेस चलाने का खर्चा डेली का से 50,000 रुपये है। जैसे अगर इफ योर मॉम इज मेंटेनिंग द budget of the house, then your mom must be knowing how much would be the minimum expenses of the house every day. Obviously, जैसे डेली का मिल्क खरीदना, okay, getting milk, purchasing groceries, okay, then giving traveling expenses to you, okay, to you, your father, okay. So all these expenses, all this list together, she knows like daily ka expense comes to डेली एक्सपेंसेस लाइक कम्स टू अराउंड से 1,000 रुपीज़। रोज का खर्चा से आने जाने का, सब्जी खरीदने का, दूध खरीदने का, डेली एक्सपेंसेस, ओके, इससे 1,000 रुपीज़। तो योर मॉम नोज दैट घर पे मिनिमम 1,000 रुपये कैश रखना चाहिए। ओके, रोज का खर्चा करने के लिए योर मदर नोज कि शी नीड्स 1,000 रुपीज़ कैश, तो शी विल ऑलवेज कीप कैश अबव 1,000। सिमिलरली इवन अ कंपनी नोज, अ बिजनेसमैन नोज कि उसका डेली का क्या खर्चा है, ओके, बिजनेस एक्टिविटीज को लेके। सो दैट इज कॉल्ड एज परमानेंट वर्किंग कैपिटल। लाइक हाउ योर मॉम नोज कि 1,000 रुपया तो घर में रखना ही है, 1,000 रुपये से कम रखना ही नहीं है घर में अगर, ओके, तो दैट इज कॉल्ड एज परमानेंट वर्किंग कैपिटल। So it is to be maintained throughout the lifetime of the company or minimum working capital required. Right? So what is temporary working capital? It is required over and above the minimum working capital. It is situational. That is, it is on uh, based on a particular situation. Okay, that is based on demand and supply basis. Say for example, सीजनल, जैसे गणपति आया, ओके, say Ganpati festival is there, Diwali festival is there. So during that period, say if you get more demand for your products, तो your sales will increase. आपको आउटपुट बढ़ाना पड़ेगा। तो आउटपुट बढ़ाने के लिए आपने क्या किया? आपने डबल शिफ्ट्स में काम करना शुरू किया। So for that particular period, you know that during festivals, you need more working capital. So that amount of working capital that you need is situational. ओके, अगर वो फंक्शन, अगर वो पर्टिकुलर इवेंट ख़त्म हो गया, जैसे गणपति चला गया या दिवाली चली गई, तो उसके बाद यू विल कम टू बैक टू नॉर्मलसी। तो ओनली फॉर दैट पर्टिकुलर पीरियड ऑफ से 15 days और 1 month, okay, you may require more amount of working capital, but that working capital which you require is situation based. Okay, once the situation is over, the requirement of that working capital is also over. Is that clear to everyone? Okay. Yeah, so this is a periodic, I mean, what do you call a diagrammatic presentation of working capital. See, permanent working capital may see the line is, yeah, straight line. You know, it's a horizontal straight line because it is fixed. and over and above whatever you need is the total working capital. Okay. Then importance of adequate working capital. Over investment in working capital, if too much investments is there in working capital, then too much funds will be get blocked in your working capital. मतलब आपके फंड्स जो है पैसा है वो वेस्ट हो जाएगा, आइडल फंड्स एक्सेस होगा तब ऐसा होता है. And under investments in working capital, it is due to lack of liquidity. If it continues, then there may occur insolvency. Okay, there should not be lack of liquidity. Your funds should be available for meeting your daily business operational activities, so that there is a smooth going ongoing business activity. For the smooth functioning, you require adequate working capital. Okay, it should not be over, it should not be less, it should be enough, वैसा.